Jutai everybody, today's vlog is about our 2-day trip that we made to Samdrup Jungkar, Bhutan, and this trip was only made possible because of Kumbang Getaways. I hope you enjoy this vlog. Kuzuzang Pula, Jutai. So I have reached Bhutan and this is my stay. Let's go. Okay. So do I wear it like this or? Okay. Look, a piece of happiness. There's a swimming pool. So this is my very humble and simple room, just like the way I wanted. और सबसे बढ़िया बात ये है कि मैं जंगलों के बीच में हूँ. ये देखिए, ये नज़ारा. And today my outfit is from Myntra. I don't shop a lot from Myntra, but I found this for I think 1200. And these shoes are from Shillong that I got this year from Laimukra. Do tell me how are they? I think they look nice. So this is my outfit of the day. And these earrings were gifted by Madhusmita, but they are very heavy. I'm going to open them. Madhusmita is my master chef के time में हम लोग friend बन गए थे. She lives in Orissa. So hi Madhusmita, अगर आप ये vlog देख रहे हो तो अगर आप नहीं भी देख रहे हो मैं आपको ये link भेजूंगी. So you'll have to watch it. So shout out to her. So वो मुझे बहुत बढ़िया बढ़िया gift भेजती रहती है time to time. So Jutai everybody. So today in my thali I have rice. This is emadachi. Emadachi is chili and cheese. Here I have paksa dashi, which is pork and cheese. Pork and cheese मैंने कभी नहीं खाया है. So this emadachi became very popular after Deepika Padukone talked about it on the internet, and everybody went gaga. It's very very nice. We just ate a little bit of lunch and this is my outfit of the day for the festival. Let's go to summer festival. Look at that shop. It's called Namse Fashion Square. जाए या ना जाए? मुझे जाने का मन कर रहा है but मेरा question है life में कि do I need this or do I want this? I don't think I need this. I just want it. So इसलिए और घूमते हैं. Let's see their local market. I think this is mushroom. ये क्या है? Black pepper, black pepper. I can't tell what's the content. They have just so many chutneys. I think there is kinema, green dole. The chutney spelling here is a little different. It's Chatney. These are like beautiful looking mushrooms. I don't know what are they called. Such big cloves of garlic. King size. It's a big size, but I don't think it's very, very hot. I ate them today. So look what I found. I found Mia in Bhutan. I think it's one of the cleanest sabji market ever. People are just cleaning and sweeping the floors. I just entered this festival, summer festival, and I met this pretty cute girls in Bhutan, Samdrup Jongkar. So they're giving me this. These are entry tokens. So these are for free.
Yes.
Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Kamsunam.
Kam?
Karmasunam.
Kamasunam, you?
Pemayan.
Pema?
Karma Chuko.
Karma. And I am Ruhi. So we have finally reached Samdrup Jongkar Summer Festival, and the one thing I noticed is ये बहुत ही शांत फेस्टिवल है. इतना शोर शराबा नहीं है. There are people are very very conscious. Littering कहीं पे भी नहीं है. So that is one thing that I have noticed till now. And let's go visit some stalls that they have put up. It's a very quiet festival compared to the other festivals that we have in India. पर लेकिन इसका भी मजा लेते हैं. चलो. So here we have Serja beer. So this is the price per set, 270 only. It looks very colorful though. Look at the packaging, it's very nice. One thing I notice about the people out here, they are very very shy. इसको पी के टल्ली हो सकता है ऐसा नहीं इसको पी के टल्ली नहीं हो सकता है. Okay, so maybe the alcohol content is 2%. इसमें 13 और इसमें 2 और ये है rhododendron wine और ये है Himalayan autumn olive wine. Rhododendron का भी बनता है. I didn't know. So rhododendron is this flower. Look closely. Wow, सब पैकेजिंग यही होता है ना. इसमें क्या पीता है? रक्सी, दारू पीने के लिए. So wow, this is so beautiful. इसको पालंग बोलते हैं. This is I think their traditional cup mug of some sort. So there is a pipe. देखो यहाँ पे, and then you can drink it from here. So this is the original Stanley cup, and I've been told कि इन दोनों में 3000 दोनों मग में, and if you take these two small ones 1,500. So I think you should value this kind of handmade products. Amazing. मुझे बहुत मजा लगा देख के. But I'll look around more. I hope this is very cute. Can it not be a thumbnail? Again, another stall with beer. Serboom beers. So, Serboom honey wheat.
Yes, this one's honey with
This is honey wheat.
this one's lager,
This one is lager,
this one's stout,
stout beer,
this is still
amber ale. So I've been asked to try. So I told him, okay, disclaimer, will I get drunk? So he said, I'm not going to get drunk, so I'll just try. I think that's a little too much, maybe a little less. The amber ale. So it's this one. I'm going to try this amber ale. So it has hint of caramel and biscuit in it, medium to low bitterness. Okay. Cheers. My first reel in Bhutan is cheers. Okay. Yeah, I can get the flavor, the aftertaste. I think it's best to drink beer and just chill here. Thank you. Again. Wow. So what do you call this?
This is cake, ma'am. We call the cantonment cake, ma'am.
Okay.
This machine we call cake eraser, ma'am.
Wow, that's interesting. I've never seen anything up close. He's just letting me try. Can't say no.
We use a lot of dark malt in it, ma'am.
Okay.
Like chocolate malt,
Chocolate malt. Okay.
pisang malt. You will give it will give a aroma of chocolate, dark chocolate, and coffee, ma'am.
Oh, I think my husband will really like it, but I'm not sure about me. Let's try it. Cheers.
Alcohol percent of 6.6.
Something like roasted.
Yes, ma'am. We use roasted barley, ma'am.
Roasted. Yeah.
A
Interesting.
lot of dark malt, ma'am.
Ah, so that's interesting. So what's your name?
Killer, ma'am. Killer malt. I'm really sorry, ma'am.
No, it's problem. I'm also sweating. So nice to meet you. Thank you so much for
We're
this.
from Thimphu, ma'am. We are located at Thimphu, ma'am.
You're from
Outskirts of-
Thimphu.
Yes,
Okay.
outskirts of Thimphu.
Okay.
A town called Honsu, ma'am.
A town called
Honsu, ma'am.
Hon
Honsu.
Honcho.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I hope I visit there someday.
Of course, yes, ma'am.
So Kadinche, you guys, thank you for making me taste all this. Thank you. I'll be back. It's the quietest festival I've ever seen. So I think this is the electric vehicle charging point, which is so interesting. Look whom I met in Bhutan, Rasna. So a traditional dance is going to be performed here. So the name of this traditional dance is Tashi Leve. Come, let's look at the beautiful outfits. I think I'm going to partake in the dance.
Please explore the stalls and enjoy.
Hello, I like your dress. It's beautiful. Isn't? Can I show it in the video? Your dress. Just look at her. What do you call this?
This is called Kira.
Kira.
Our traditional dress.
Yeah.
But I made it in a Western style.
But still, it's so beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Can I just take a video and let me know what you all have here?
Officially, these all bags are made from like plastics.
Plastics.
Reusable plastics.
Okay. You have
What we do
recycled.
is like we train the women, local women.
I like this. Look at this recycled plastic made into a bag. It can be a great shopping. It can be a great shopping bag, especially to buy your vegetables. So this is my corner. I see something tea related, buckwheat tea. Come. So I have this honey in my hand. It says these stingless bees make medicinal honey. Some call it a miracle liquid. Do I really want a miracle in my life? Yes, I want my sweat to stop. I'm sweating like, I don't know. Should we get this? Tell me, people, should I get this? 5 tea bags. So there are 25 tea bags. I'll get this ginger tea. Come, this is an interesting stall. We have this stone carving unit. So they are beautifully made. Are they deities? Is a particular god, goddess, or as gods? Okay, so they have hand carved their gods, their deities. Very beautiful piece of art. I think here we have all these similar hand woven baskets. Hi. What are these? Like something like the one that you wear it around your waist. So I don't know. This textile reminds me of like Thai textile. It's very unique. So these are all bells. These are bells and these are tablecloth. Oh, so these are tablecloth. So nothing like the one that you're wearing here. I was looking for something that she's wearing. Wall hanging. So must be hand woven. It's hot, but we can't complain because look at this wonderful view at the back of this backdrop of this festival. We have this river passing by. I forgot the name of the river. And look at the monkeys frolicking. So finally हम आ गए हैं. इसमें उपाय नहीं है क्योंकि इतना गर्मी है. We have to drink beer to keep our sanity. So it's 1.5 liter of Druk beer. I'm not a beer drinker, but आज तो पीना पड़ेगा. Cheers. Thank you, Bhutan. Let's go to the concert and listen to some Bhutanese music, which I've never done. I must have seen the most decent crowd ever. Girls are dancing, but everybody is a little uptight, I feel. Maybe you can loosen up a little with few beer from Druk, you know. Just look.
हाय मैम का वीडियो देखते रहते हैं डिमा हासाव से हम भी असम से ही है पास में ही है
Oh, it's the first time होइसे ना?
फर्स्ट टाइम হৈছে এটো
So they are saying summer festival first time हुआ है. अच्छा ही लगा है.
ডিসেম্বৰত এটা হয়
अच्छा.
এটো মেইন মার্কেটত হয় এটো মানে আমরা ড্রিঙ্কস ফেস্টিভেল বুলি হয় এটো আপনার মানে উইন্টারত হয় এটো মানে প্রথম সামার
প্ৰথম ন? ভালে লাগিছে. আমাৰো প্ৰথমবাৰ.
এনে আমি আহি থাকো কিন্তু ফেস্টিভেল হিচাপত আজি মানে প্ৰথম আহিছো আৰু
So thumbs up from people from Assam. They like this festival. So there is a wall where you can leave your wish that you want to fulfill. He's still writing his wish. He left my wish in the. I know your wish already. I hope it gets fulfilled. Thank you. Welcome. Wow, I know her wish. Her wish is so cute. She wishes she has slime. I hope you have all the slime in the world. Welcome. Big slime. Wow. She wishes she has a cat. I hope you have a cat. Oh, it fell down. So I'm leaving this festival ground today, but with all good memories. But I will always return to Bhutan. So see you again, everyone. Bye-bye. So we'll call it a night. आज हमारा समद्रुप जोंकार का trip खत्म हुआ है, and now we will just pass by this monastery and give a little heartfelt thanks to Bhutan. So Kujuzangpo, which means Jutai. Come. ये मोनेस्ट्री कितना पुराना है?
2004.
2004.
30 monks स्टार्ट करे थे इधर
30 monks से शुरू किया है ये वाला 2004.
इधर का तो हम हॉस्टल और ऑफिस दिस साइड और उधर टीचर लोग का हॉस्टल और टेंपल
टीचर्स भी है ना इधर?
हम टीचर है
हम सब टीचर.
कितना टोटल टीचर्स है अभी?
21 plus.
21 प्लस.
इतना है
अच्छा अच्छा.
चेपन बोलता है चेपन इसने चेपन और पूजा के लिए सब मंदिर देखने के ये उधर एक मंदिर है ना और इधर लोकल का मंदिर है वो.
अच्छा लोकल डेटी का मंदिर है.
मंदिर हाँ और नेखंग बोलता है
हाँ.
वो इधर का एरिया का बच्चा लोग न्यू बच्चा आ रहा ना
हाँ.
उसका भगवान ऐसे बीमार करते हुए वो
हाँ।
पूजा करने इधर लेता है।
अच्छा अच्छा, बीमार होने से पूजा
हाँ,
इधर करता है।
हाँ।
So
थैंक यू।
thank you. So before we leave Bhutan, one last touristy thing we'll do. We'll visit this place. ये last एक viewpoint है. Wow, but it's sunny. I don't know what is it called. Very airy. So I've been told कि यही है the town of Samdrup Jonkar. It's just this much, very sparsely populated, but very very peaceful. तो बस इतना ही बड़ा town है. I hope it stays like this. Even though it was a very short trip, just for 2 days, I really did enjoy, and I hope to visit soon again. And for a first time traveler in Bhutan, one will get overwhelmed because there are quite a lot of rules and regulations. For us, in order to cope this confusion, we had this travel agency called Kumbang Getaways. They really helped us a lot. And I also feel when one visits a new country, one should be very mindful and conscious about how they behave and to respect the rules and regulations of that country. And more vlogs coming soon. I hope you enjoy my vlogs. Bye bye.